I'm going to be teaching you the 4 ways to use our powder foundation. So the first step is you just use the foundation as it is, as in its raw base form, and you take it into circular motions, and it's going to give you a light to medium coverage. The second way would be is if you're in a rush and you just want to hurry up and put on your moisturizer and your foundation in one, is you could create a BB cream. And what you do is you take your morning hydration cream, you just take a concealer brush or any brush that you have, you dab some onto your cream, and then in the same way you do it in a circular motion. The third way to use your foundation is to mist your brush. Okay, now by misting your brush, and then you dip it into your tray, and it's going to intensify the coverage a lot more. As you can see here, okay, it's going to give you a medium to heavy coverage. The fourth way to use your powder foundation is by wetting the product directly. And so you just mist it directly onto your mixing tray, and you could use one of the concealer brushes from our brush kit, and you just mix it. And so when you mix it, it becomes a very intense, like a liquid foundation would. And as you can see, it's gonna give you a really, really intense coverage. And so here you have it. And now, of course, obviously you're gonna blend it, and you're going to work quickly with it because it'll dry. It has water, and so it'll dry. But if it dries while you're doing part of your face, or if you could use it also as a concealer, then all you do is you would come back and you would remist your makeup, and it takes that form again. This one little product actually gives you 4 products in one, depending on the ranges of covers that you want. You have it all here.